Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Over the next couple of days and couple of weeks in November, I'm going to be doing a lot of folk songs, bluegrass, maybe some country, and I'm going to be doing a lot of these things from different countries, so folk songs from different countries and things like that. When I think about this time of year, we always have a playlist of just bluegrass and that style of music to listen to as we're going up to the mountains around Thanksgiving. And I just wanted to share some of my favorite songs with you guys. The first one that you're going to watch today is Steel Guitar Rag, and I hope you enjoy it. It's one of the first instrumentals that I learned on guitar. It's a little fast, but it's definitely attainable. To get the tabs for any of these videos, check out the description below. It'll show you how to get signed up for the guitar community, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. See you next time.